All right, today we want to look at the topic coordinate geometry in mathematics. We'll be looking at how to find gradient of a line, equation of a line, magnitude of a line. Now, we have two questions on the board. That is question 1 to question 2. I'm going to solve question 1 so that we try question 2. Let's see how we can solve question 1. All right, from question 1, we have been given the coordinate for A, which is negative 2, 7. And also, we have the coordinate for B, which is 2, negative 3. Now, the first coordinate, we name it x1, y1. The second one, we name it x2, y2. Now, we want to see or we want to learn how we can use these two coordinates to find gradient of a line. Now, let us look at the formula for gradient of a line. Now, gradient of a line mathematically is given by change in y over change in x, where we can have y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So this is the gradient formula that we have here. Now, our y2, y1, x2, x1, we are going to fix these numbers into this formula. So our y2 is negative 3, our y1 is 7. So we have 7 here. All right. Our x2 is 2. So we put 2 here. Minus our x1 is negative 2. So we have negative 2 here. So we simplify this, which will give us negative 10. This and that will give us 4. All right. Therefore, our final answer is going to be negative 5, 2. So gradient of line, gradient of line AB, all right, is given as negative 5 over 2. Now let us see how we can find equation of the line. That will be our II. So we say that equation of a line is given by, so this is the formula that we can use to find equation of a line. All right, m multiplying x minus x1. All right, with this formula, we need to define our m, and the m here is the gradient that we solve here. Our y1, x1 are the coordinates that we can see here. We can also use this coordinate, all right? But since we have x1, y1 here, let us use this coordinate straight. So we have y minus y1 is 7. Our gradient is minus 5 over 2. Multiplying x minus x1, which is negative 2. So this is how we can fix the numbers into the formula. All right, we use these two here to multiply this. So 2 multiplying this straightforward, we have 2y minus 14 minus 5 multiplying x plus 2. All right, so we have 2y minus 14. This will multiply this, we'll have minus 5x. This by this will give us minus 10. Now we are going to group everything at one side and equate it to 0. So what do we do now? We move this to the left-hand side. So we have 5x, all right, plus 2y minus 14. This will cross, plus 10 equal to 0. Therefore, we can have our 5x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So we can conclude by saying that this is our equation of the line. Let us move on to find magnitude of the line. So magnitude of line AB, all right, is given as square root of change in x squared plus change in y squared, where we can break this formula as x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. Okay, so again, we are going to fix this coordinate into this formula. Our x2 will be 2. Our x1 will be negative 2 all squared. Our y2 will be negative 3. y1 will be 7 all squared. So we simplify this, as we can see here, 4 squared plus minus 10 squared. Okay, and 4 squared will give us 16. So we have 16 here plus 100, as we can see. Okay, now we add the 16 to the 100, and that will be 116, which we can break it down as 2 root 29 unit, or in decimals, we can have 10.77 unit. So this is how we can find the magnitude of line AB. Keep on practicing mathematics and your life will never be the same. Thank you.